Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage your event planning checklists using Todoist. So let's get started. First things first, create a new project for your event in Todoist. Click on the plus Add Project button, name it appropriately, and select a color to distinguish it. This step is important because it forms the foundation of our organization for the event. Now that we've done that, let's break down our event into tasks. Click Add Task under your project and start adding all the things you need to do. For example, booking a venue, sending out invitations, etc. Remember, the more specific you are, the easier it will be to track your progress. Next up, let's add some due dates to these tasks. Hover over a task and click on the calendar icon to add a due date. The reason we do this is to ensure we stay on track and don't miss any critical deadlines. Now that we have our tasks and due dates, let's categorize them using sections. Click plus Add Section and start grouping related tasks together. This helps us because it makes our checklist more organized and manageable. Let me explain why this matters. In the heat of event planning, things can get chaotic. Having a well-structured checklist helps you stay focused and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is taking all this information, organizing it, and presenting it in a way that makes it easy for you to manage your event planning. Finally, always remember to mark tasks as completed once they're done. This gives you a visual cue of your progress and keeps you motivated. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to manage your event planning checklists in Todoist. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.